Mencer, and I live in Knoxville, Tennessee. I love to mountain bike. So when I first started mountain biking, I was all in. I was actually wearing glasses at that point. When you're just, cruising, whatever, you start to get sweaty, your nose gets sweaty, your glasses just slip right off. I was like, all right, I'll just wear my contacts. You're gonna get mud in your eyes and stuff. And then when you're wearing contacts, you're mountain biking, you can't get the mud out. You don't have a mirror just handy. So you're just sitting there riding around with mud in your eyes and it's all in your contacts, and it just was not suitable for, for mountain biking. Having to wear contacts and glasses when you're working out, I mean, that's a real big nuisance too. I mean, glasses fall off, same situation as mountain biking. Once I made the decision to get LASIK done, I had 1 week off of medical school. And I wasn't expecting that week off. Looking online, I knew they had a little bit of a special going on. So I called them, I was like, hey guys, I need y'all to work with me here. I know we probably need a little bit more time, but I have 1 week. I was like, I need this week to have my primary visit where you come and check out my eyes. I need to get the procedure done, and I need to be able to go back to work on that following Monday. They had me in for my primary visit the next day. I got LASIK done 3 days later, and I was back to work that following Monday. What was great about them too is I was like, hey, look guys, I mean, I really want this procedure done, but right now I can't afford it. I would love to make payments. That's all they needed to hear. They got the payments set up where I was on a 2-year plan, and fortunately I've been able to pay it off early, which was a big blessing. But yeah, they set all that up too, and it was just seamless. So yeah, I was just back to work that following Monday. Got 20/15 vision, and yeah, I was a new man. So it's really nice to be able to go somewhere, like being able to go to Colorado and go snowboarding, or go mountain biking or whatever. I don't have to worry about bringing saline solution, my contact holder, anything. I just go. Hands down, best money I've ever spent, and I really could not ask for a better result.